on my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know.
So talk to us outside view crazy. Hey. Give it a mission. Oh, I sent to no. I don't know, officer. Huh? Wow, I'm smiling. What has done to her? More than the next. Now, Baba say, "Oh, the man in Quack, what is easy?" Oba pa ya santua. Oba o sha tari fita di abenkwan bi so natali. Hey. Hey, asantua no. Asantua re. Skuma. Tamfu bi na nka wo. Ye yi wadi batom boa. Skuma. Hwe. Me pe wasem tun bia skuma. Santua, the CEO, the buy you, and to kwane we ntemu asantua. Kwasi broni say war before peace. Minimatophobia. Fe do mu share street 5 people e me yete ba kwa no fa mu nyina. Nso ewi ase no mu ye wedding. Asantua me pe wasem. Me say no chi so a ye host o mu je chi ne o mu de compare game na me say hwe. Asantua mu de ne compare hwan. Oh girl in his size. Oh Lord Jesus Christ. This is good, this is ice. Meniski really dies. Me say we more than chen obi the whole school won for chen obi a. And I me the precious thing come precious chile me say won na say babak. Ma kan abomu ye na fofo na say brother. Ma come atom yam. Then I me no. I say now no precious one can't no. I say me so many precious to see. Enti na say the bia say me no banta bi no.
And the precious tin e na on me.
Oh, nene sa but I say precious there. Ontimi no obi nko abra me kwakota nipa nechi. What is the mechanism? Me pewasem. Tisi say there we live together, we die together. They say we are close.
Nti ukasa tintini na o mama.
Many aje se makambo. Na no pa wadidi.
Aden ka beto aduane.
And then asema woda aduane bia e ba yemi no. Asa ba ku be waste. Na asa me pisa se.
Be waste afabre me.
Onidi.
Afabre me.
A buy him with a gun, bro. Smile, man.
Yeah,
I'm offended. I'm offended. Just say, hey, it dear Santuan Casana to me, womb. It dear Santua, Casa Santo, Bapa Yas Santua to me, womb. Say, Obana Tuono, and your Casao, Obana Tuono, with me a good tizo. Robano pa, says the lips. Roba, honey.
Opoku area idea.
Me pese me kura me hwe me pese o mo hwe wani enya kasa e kala no fe me pa wase mati ayi you can say precious komo bi o ha me pese nka me no debate
Precious on komo
ba se me time ko kakara ti kan pese me ko ana yindi
Obedi nkoma na ase time ko say uni time anka oba say obedi nkoma
chedan bibita
hey
Dabi ma won ho fe ni sipi me ti me hwedi ma bibita ha
ma to the car some quality
as precious so se bi menena na tiache na se bi menini cruise pa but I'm saying same bi ho no ma yes opese o ka sem kire nyakopon a na aka kire mfama precious pa me penasem pa sabi me pese me na twempna
na penasem hot six
me pese me na twempna o skuma na maya mfa ana sisi me so na close de ka asanto abo amate boamena o boamena mitimi twa akra no be 2 times o dem boamena me nwura adwuma ni be 2 times na me nya nansim
Opoku nti betina ha okasa bebebe bosre hi nyina me cancer pressure so open na open e twa no
oh se na me pen ni tika me nyande se ye de ya
u twa no na we gya no
nya no ase enye se bia ti o ase sisi first there na ma adwum na mpese me get it na but sisi boys the corridor boys the girl no corridor me chira boys o mo wura ge we mu ahon e be junsa boys the corridor nti o te ge bi se me phantom na so I was saying, me trap na me many. On the metro. Banka first, ne there. She say, Wadani who? Wadani who? She say, boys in zoo be my hey. I beg it.
Opoku sorry ko.
Huh?
Sorry ko.
I'm grown on me. She say, yeah, you know.
Agora only say. You catch me so po bi. Who funny serious crowd ya
I'm grown. Na me unime.
Na who channel ja.
Na some kike ya unime. Ah, neti wo hwe nyam ye ma me menya precious na ma me twa ne bi da.
Na say the oti hair can be.
Dabi na me de sem kika. If I sound to
Yes, now na anye serious o.
Ah?
Yes, now na anye serious.
Oh, me serious, but precious way dey me serious. But Aroma, we do Yakopon. A canam yam som, Pepe was na resi de ala, Satoa. So to me, ye do we mamma Satoa. Satoa. Maria, you're because a minimum of Yamam. Satoa. False send me a bar. Satoa. And wow, perfume would be a man.
It is see mama who open nature and be no you me na so minutes na.
Satoa, one be na precious na that we can any.
Only net na.
Me net na.
Only net na.
Na me bam kra na etime wo ba na masa to ne din Manuela. Na say na me nsa wo.
Was I didn't know baba mama yin. So unni pa na ne girl ni dana uja na ho.
Santo Mimi Judy, hwe Mimi Judy. Ana minim de obetima yeti na wona mde beto wanim no. Se girls no modoso. Mi Judy. Yesi oba totu atwere beba bo wo de mema totu atwere wo bo. Yesi be ma si so ma san no ham, but oba si so ma san no ham. Ebi no. Enye kasa. Everything ladies first na yewa. Enye se me pekasa na se me ji hu, but minim de otimi ye. Ah, na wajina enipa do mani mako akwa agi asantemasi wo. Hwe kwa se ize. Ene ize. Otu wono nya falasa o. Oba hima na ati wasa no. Hwe. Iti sa ko de wedi o se oba hima na da hene ma mesima, me hia ala shibi na me fra otu we nyina. Won fa na chichimiti ya mem. Ana me di bia agro. Wa nya sa pressure bekum. Inti mesrawo. Santwa. Bideki kama mwati.
Mati. So unchano na unjana bia. Mati.
How did you do this to me? What if the thing is not certified? Hey, don't let the sickness come. I am seriously speaking my important thing, okay?
Madam,
from the day we gone and certification you and nominate you, I haven't heard from you again.
Madam Gajun, see, no, the people, anytime I try to come to you, they want to follow me. And I don't want them to see that I'm with you.
Are you a charge list?
Oh,
where you are, huh?
I'm trying to protect us.
It's important that don't let anyone or somebody know what is going between me and you, okay?
Exactly.
But still now you have to keep comfort. At least you can text me, you can call me.
Madam Patrice, me, I'm falling for you.
Don't do this because you are trying to down my libido.
No, the things you do for me, you give me food, and you give me food and food. Madam Patrice, you do a lot for me, and I wouldn't do anything to hurt you. You know that.
So you let me be discretion. My mind is telling me another thing that maybe I'm not sweeting you or my thing is not sweetable. That's why you didn't. Because let me tell you something. May I remain in Jamio. When you did the Ako, when you did the Aube to us.
Midi. See him. You know, madam. See, I've never met someone like you. And then it's like when I came to the school, I wasn't feeling okay. I wasn't being able to fit in.
Hey, me, dear sisterhood darling girl. One, yes.
The minute I met you, my life changed.
Oh my God. When you are walking, are you not smiling on you?
I smile all the time, Madam Katrine.
Because I give you a toffee,
Yes.
It got memories you.
the last time when I was in my room, I was thinking and I was daydreaming about the moments that we had together.
Oh my God!
It was so amazing. I don't know if I was the one who was riding you or you were the one.
You were nice. I was thinking that slim boys can do it more than you guys. But hey, forget
Madam Catherine, forget
the slim. This is normal. You give it to me.
I gave it to you.
Can't you hear I was crying?
I thought that like it was a new so.
No, when I'm coming, I am crying.
When you are coming, you cry.
Yes.
So you will come in 2 hours.
Yes. Oh my God.
You are crying for 2 hours.
Of course, now I didn't so kaka.
Hey, of the asem. Of na wo from the asem. When you asem. Senka would ni nyansa pa ka ko gina ga nanim. Edi di wo fa nimpo me de wa to school matam sam ejimi no. Anka wo ba fia ba be pa me chew. Ba wo nyim nyansa tu sa gina no ofa. Aka da hankari ke. Awwa.
Fire phone so na ma fero.
Ka ba mutare we.
Fire so fa che mo fire so de ne be. Ma fa. Ka hwa ma.
Ba de na menka de.
Oko ama wonya nka bibi ankyere mi.
Ama hona me call eno. Makwa akohu gene ne na kokasa. Oso wo dwene ho. Ose wo dwene ho tambia ono ape bia. Wo ma de bia panyiye kwanyin kwasea. Wo ma panyiye panyin kwasea.
Wato ka so dwene no aka so dwene ho wo.
Eti wo so wo me mia ne mene no nwene ho wo a. Ah? Me ko mia ne mene no nwene ho wo a. Ah, what do you try to talk to me?
Bana of a girl no of sanema no ye nyina no ya Aroma ntia o. Aroma nti no wa sheda ma na asema den sa no. No means minim de ntia no that so Aroma so that so pe no minim de ntia. Me wan so for no say Aroma no one kanti madam na hyehyɛ. One madam kanti madam.
What's why? Can sama wo no sometimes. Ana wa adwen me nyi ni sa. Wo kan sama wo ye. Why no why?
Ofa me ka bibi Aroma ne kanti madam atwen.
Aroma ne kanti madam no twempra.
Madam kanti no twempra gidigidi.
Na sa traga no wa boda wana. Ah, wo men si kwa fa wo kura chikwa ye ni ko gina mu pa acha wo ma. Stay wo da so ye we.
Ono ne twempra gidigidi wo school mu ha. Domo ya kure ni enya.
Ana Aroma no so sa ni breta sa.
Na eme wanwan no minim de ntia ba.
Eti Aroma ntina breta no wo ye sa.
Ofa nu ntia.
Ah, na sa Aroma no pa. Wo ye di Aroma. Ah?
Mo twempna so you can see madam no. Ono no sa jiji scouts o ni kunu ono ma. No sa dis kana bra Aroma.
Ah, ni wiase be kura na ye kunu. Obi a waware. Owarefo. Naji wiase kura ni. Lucky do be imagine boy, we living in crazy world.
For the time cry say, unim say boys no, eduru wiase no obi ani hostel obi ekwe na live camp. Hostel room na the canteen madam neba. Hostel room na the canteen madam neba. Na meti
abon say screw yari. Eh. Sa. Canteen madam. Asama woka no. Gudum senya no kra. Adam.
For no kro.
Ye, mempa ade a me chiri se obebo osirim aka asem. Ubo utirim, anu osirim. Asim bia na woka. Mempa sa.
For no kro de be ku bia meti na yima no. Omo twempna kanti madam ne mama Aroma ska.
Obi awawale. Unu kunu na tie. Ukunu ya responsible man. What jada would the Aroma we yachi? Baba me carry away. What do you matter? Why? What is this? What do you want to hear?
Of a man is not here. Bibu near this or bonnet teacher can't be anka or sorry or anka sako.
Share. What has the need you made you all? This is more girl. This may come again. What? Can't appear. Any pit, I could pit. Ati. Stubborn you are. Yeah, me never kasa.
Opa no ama me hwe. Scanty music sound.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me pesa me come anymore.
Maybe it's because of the food you ate. Yeah. They are too full.
Precious. I want to tell you something.
Hey, why do you have some good news for me?
It's funny though, but I don't know how to even say it.
Oh, I'm all ears.
It's about my only brother, my one and only brother, Opoku.
What has Opoku done?
Well, he came to see me. He told me that
He likes you.
me.
Then what?
It's not me, it's you. He told me he likes you. He wants to be with you. He said a lot. So he asked me to tell you that he likes you. And since I'm closer to you, maybe you will listen to me. So on behalf of him, I want to tell you that Opoku likes you.
Is he even laughing? Opoku likes me and he's telling you.
Yeah.
No. It's not even about the fact that he likes me, because that guy, he's not okay. The fact that Opoku came to me to tell me to stay away from you.
What?
Yes. And he's also coming back to tell you that he likes me.
He came to you
Yes.
to tell you to stay away from me.
Yes, and that you can kill me and you're wicked.
There's something wrong with that boy.
Oh, he came to me just recently.
Seriously.
Yeah.
No, I think he's mad.
That's why I'm shocked, because
This is pure madness. Because Oba me no can't send me catch him so person real no in jail. He wants to use you and dump you.
that's,
and I said
I'm not
no.
surprised, because I know that he has been talking about it from first year, since the time he saw me. So that one I'm not surprised. But the fact that he told me to stay away from you and is telling you to come and tell me he likes me, that's very weird though. That's very funny. Hey.
Unim the emissary. Or say first no interested in you, pa. He was really interested in you, but now the boys know what they dance, person real no in jail. Okay.
Then go and tell him that still now when still now I can give it to everybody.
Okay,
except
him say I grow no and later he told me, oh, he's serious, he
Since
wants
you were the messenger, please go and tell him that I said no.
No, see me wouldn't.
I
Also,
you're very wicked. I mean, I should stay away from you. That I'm not even wise working with someone like you. Oh, he said all that. He said all that.
Really?
Yes. He said
I'll
all
beat
that.
him.
Obey to me, Opoku.
I'll beat him.
How will you beat Opoku?
I'll beat him. Very soon I'll beat him.
Hey.
I'll beat him. Oh, you can ask him. This is not the first time. I'll beat him.
Yo. Since you're the between, I'll go and tell him that I said I'm not interested.
And so I'm not made by any pabonini. I don't get it.
Aye. Me, I know he's not normal. That's why I meet you. He's not normal. Oh. I said me the fan full every day. I'll be calling him Opoku. He's not normal. If you don't take care, he'll hurt you. He's not normal.
Hey, you can't to see him, can't you, madam? Can't you shame you sleeping with this student? Hey! You sleeping with student?
Never, I didn't date.
Listen, so now listen up. Can't you, madam? Stay away from this guy. Huh? Stay away from that small boy. He's a student. You married, then you will be a wawalu for Ukraine. Are they? Who are they, can't you, madam?
No, saying my I didn't dance. So I'm wondering that you asked me like that.
If you wondering that, but you sleeping with, you don't sleeping with this small boy.
Never.
What is never?
Please, who told you?
Who told me?
Because I am lost in.
I will never disappoint my gossip. I will never disappoint my gossip.
Who is them speaking about? Because I haven't know anything.
You haven't known it, but you sleeping with Iddi.
That was then.
That was what? That was past tense.
No,
I'm not talking about past tense. I'm not talking about that small boy. What could this small boy reachi? I'm a no copan somebody. Any a trans is what was seminal. Ah, what different from my dear Pamon? Or to what the wa? That's a copa.
See, we are talking about a present tense.
Me are talking about olden things. I'm talking about present set.
Please, I want to know who told you because I'm exclusively too disappointed in myself. How can I date this small boy? Otto boy,
but you not didn't. You didn't.
I didn't. That's
so that's for others.
It's a suspense.
Suspense for close.
Equal to -0.
Obi I can't see madam who it when what go for small boy die problem by yen and your trans me kwa dem giginem and to be honest akọ fast akọ ya won ne da do bi on fan ko ra hostel ho hostel ho on fan ko ra hostel ho
no
hey the boy take you to hostel.
I just took the food go and give him in there.
Okay, if you give the food the finish, why don't you out?
I'm out, see. Right now, I'm Audi, but
you there, you chopped you.
I'm trying to protect my cocoa. How can I gifted them just like that?
You are protect your cocoa, but how don't you open your cocoa? Why don't you open your cocoa? Are you stupid? Can't you save? Country, madam?
Please, I'm sorry, it's not truthful. Please.
I don't what's your man from to ma? Also, no share sa toy from pabwa we befu. Minim say baby, obi aye canteen. I know also tablet what UK on.
I'm protecting my lens.
I don't know so near Rama money on. What's your time? Why you every day you looking that sandals in this campus school?
It's a Balenciaga.
Balenciaga with Timberland.
The Akaya de me the best shit.
But Balenciaga is Timberland. Is it purple or a cream color?
Where is selection from fools?
Or quite not toys Nisi Hunano see you, mammy.
From Kwame Nkrumah campus.
Campus?
Yes.
Acquitted?
Yes.
Me too, small boy, at the Friday.
Wendy, my
Obi a waware pa. E dey na ba mo so say. Hey, wo kunu dey wo twase nani o. Wo twase nani.
Say my na come sim be say me no di nko me pe kokko adurama no.
Ala wontimi anya ne hu yi.
Say te se me dey. Me dey sano na ma hwe say bia sam.
And also pentini.
So I wish.
I'm so here bache. She money say na dream. She ni sa konkoma counts and boss. Abba.
Makadesh.
Yeah, Makade.
Desh. Carlos.
So we need to say any money just so I wale no boy jaman o. Normal.
There.
Normal.
This
but you be doing come. Why?
Okay.
That and the teachers need to move from the morning to any area. She needs
Okay, thank you, for the advisements.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm want say tafoka. Yeah. Dwamaya dokro ni saa omfale se wa wale no obo dwamayo. Na mema no so abanye o mu ho aduro. Family connect na safrem from dia si kire niema. Koku obanum koku bi abebo some. Na that we huntimi nye hwe. Ebeto sa twitwe na so a etwim se ya.
What did you play me wicked like that?
What is it again, Madam Catherine?
What's wrong with you? Can you dig that?
What did I do?
Why going to told in my ear that I am have a something between me and you?
Hey! Who? Maye.
Imaye have called me and pencil my face, insulting that I am a loser. Let you small boys chopping me.
Wait, who? Sir Chase.
Yes.
He said what?
He said what? He has realized that me and you, something going between me and you. How can you play a wicked just like that?
Hey, listen.
No, I want myself, my things private.
Mama, keep quiet. Do you think I won't say Maye to know about this?
Now,
I don't want him to know. Hey, listen. Maybe an argument you somehow. Obusa wana oputi to you.
He put it to me that I did. And this is not the first time I did it that. Which is too badly.
Hey.
I am trying to convincing him, but it doesn't go it well. He just trusts what the person told him.
He said who told him?
He said he didn't told me.
Huh?
Also when you know for it. So it's not be you, it's who?
Mama, do you think
It be who? No, I don't like that. I don't. No.
Listen. I'm not a kid. Besides, we are trying to hide this thing from them. So why do you think I'll go and disclose this to anybody? Who?
Okay, it's me, Aroma. You are trying to told me that it's a ghost.
Hey, wait, listen. How did he ask you? Say no.
He didn't ask so.
Huh?
He just put it into me that I should stop because he's advised me. And he said I am a respectful. People respected me. Okay. So I didn't need to do this.
And did he say anything? That is.
Don't let me get offended because I'm angry.
Hey! Wait, I'm coming. Adams. You see, I told you right from the beginning. I said Adams, eh? Adams, who was a This is Adams.
So are you serious that?
I am serious.
He can do this.
You don't know what Adams is capable of, right?
No, please, because I have me there. He's my friend.
Who is your friend?
To be honestly speaking, I don't think he can do this. Because me and you, we are secreting.
Listen to me, Madam Catherine. Adams is my senior brother. Adams is my blood. I know him than anybody on this campus. Adams can do this. In fact, he is him.
What this boy is doing this? I think the gossiping is his sicknesses, which is badly. Because he like gossiping too much. Please, you have to advise your brother because when he bring himself to me, he will see the bad side of me or the weakness it's in me.
It's okay. So is Maye angry? Is he angry?
Of course. He's pissed off. He is really extra too hungry.
Did he say he's going to inform the school authorities?
No, he didn't.
Madam
say
Catherine,
that.
if that happened, I'm dead.
Please know how you play your casting, so know how you play because I don't really like that.
But I hope you defended us, right? You told him that there is nothing like that going on, right?
I want myself private. So you're always doing this and you are putting it into your brother. Please don't.
So you didn't do anything.
Don't let it happen again.
Adams, please.